Hi, in this video we will duplicate this design using simple Illustrator tools to get you started. For anyone new to Illustrator, please follow along and you will get hold of it. We will start by adding the image to be copied as template. By placing it as template, it can't be edited and appears on the page as background. Template layer has been formed, but we will be working on layer 1, as the template is only a layer which has been locked, so tracing it would be easy. First we take a circle, drag the mouse to make a circle and click Alt plus Shift to scale it uniformly. Try matching the outline of the background image. To make it easy to see the background, keep the fill color to none. Drag and move from your arrow keys to adjust. To make it smaller, click on the side, and press Shift to scale it to adjust. I will Alt and drag the circle to copy the same circle and keep it on the side if I need the same shape later. Now let's select the curvature tool to make the curved shapes. We can do it with pen tool, but curvature tool is easier than pen tool. Add points and the curves appear as blue line. You can see the shape and adjust as you go. If some points are not okay, Ctrl plus Z, then remake the point and adjust your curves. You can adjust the curves by clicking the object and then select the direct selection tool. Click the point you think needs adjustment. Click and drag the handle point that appears when you click the point and adjust accordingly. To make the curve smooth, go to Object Path and then Simplify. It gives smoothness and makes the curve look better. Do the same for other curves. Now select everything and click Select the Shape Builder tool. We are going to delete all extra lines. Click Alt and a minus sign will appear on the arrow. Click on the lines which are to be deleted. I have placed all the colors I will be using. I will try adding a fill color and then combine same colors and make gradient fill. Select everything and click on Shape Builder tool to add fill color. You can add any fill color for now to have all shapes as separate object. We can change the colors from eyedropper tools easily later. You can find the color number from here. If you paste the same number as mine, it will give you the same color. I have added a gradient here. You can click on the fill and then instead of color, choose gradient. Once you have applied the gradient, click on gradient options and add colors as needed. Now let's make the other shape to have a shadow inside. I'll copy the shape by clicking and dragging holding the Alt key. Ctrl Y to see the line view to see if the lines intersect each other so we have a defined shape. Make sure the Smart Guide is on, so you can see if the lines intersect. Once done, click Ctrl Y again to get back to the normal view. Now we have the shape. I'll add my choice of gradients to have a similar look. Adding gradient gives it depth. Don't forget to like and subscribe.